Welcome to the public speaking masterclass on practice, how you can practice your public speaking at home. So, today let's look at how you can sing aloud or sing along with songs to practice your public speaking. Singing is a great opportunity that you can use to practice your deliveries and public speaking. How do you do this? You pick a song with a lyrics that you know to, and once the song is singing, you sing along. So maybe you pick maybe any artist that you want, but make sure that you can sing along with it. You don't need to get the lyrics right, because some of you are thinking about, oh, how am I going to do this? I don't even know how to sing. No, just sing along. You can just go on Google or YouTube, place tunes that you can read the lyrics, right? So it's playing, the lyrics are displaying, and you read and sing along. This will help you to better your voice, understand your voice, and also keep your voice busy to know that yes, there are times that you're going to do this for a while, a long time, and it helps you to do more with your presentations and corporate deliveries. So singing along with lyrics is a great way to practice your presentations. Thank you very much for your time. See you in yet another session of the Public Speaking Masterclass on practice, how to practice your presentations before you mount the stage.